In laboratory reports, regardless of your discipline, you will need to insert equations and sample calculations into your reports. This video tutorial will review the following shortcuts. Generating equations in Microsoft Word can seem difficult and time-consuming. However, using keyboard shortcuts, you will find that generating equations in Word can be easy and quick. In engineering reports, it is often useful to include equations that are relevant to the analysis. To insert equations easily into a document, use the Word Equation Editor. In the Insert tab, under Symbols, select the Equation drop-down menu and select Insert New Equation. Type your equation into the box that appears, like this. Alternatively, if you would like to use a shortcut to produce an equation, click Alt and the equal sign. This will bring up the equation editor, and you can once again enter your equation. The following keyboard shortcuts are particularly useful for generating equations quickly in Word. So once again, we're going to generate an equation using Alt and equals. So to create subscripted text, you can type the base number of your subscript, followed by an underscore, and the number you would like to be subscripted. If you then click a space, the subscript will appear. If you would like to include multiple terms in your subscript, you can enclose them in brackets. To use keyboard shortcuts to create superscripted text, you can do that by typing your base number, followed by this symbol, and the number you would like superscripted. If you then press space, your number will become superscripted. As with subscripts, you can also include multiple terms in your superscript if you enclose them in brackets. Keyboard shortcuts can also be used to create multiplication signs in your equations. You can generate an equation once again by clicking Alt and the equal sign. You can then type your first number, followed by a space, a backslash, the word times, and enter a space. This will create a multiplication sign, after which you can finish your equation. Using shortcuts, you can also create fractions. Type your number, followed by a forward slash, and your denominator. Click space to make the fraction appear. As with superscripts and subscripts, you can also create multiple terms in your numerator or denominator. Type your number, followed by a forward slash, and then enter your denominator in brackets. Shortcuts can also be used to create a square root sign. Type a backslash, followed by the word squirt, S-Q-R-T. Enter a space, and then the expression you would like to take the root of. If you would like to include multiple terms under your square root, enclose them in brackets. For example, backslash, SQRT, space, followed by our expression in brackets. To create a degree sign using keyboard shortcuts, type your number, followed by a backslash, and the word degree. Entering a space will enter a degree sign into your equation. When creating sample calculations in your reports, you will often want to enter a therefore sign quickly. To do so, enter a backslash, followed by the word therefore. After entering a space, a therefore sign will appear. Finally, in higher level courses, you will often need to enter Greek letters into your equations. To create a lowercase Greek letter, type \, followed by the type of Greek letter that you are trying to enter. For example, delta in this case. Notice that delta is spelled with a lowercase first letter. After entering a space, the symbol will appear. In the same fashion, to enter an uppercase Greek letter, type \, followed by the Greek letter's name with a capital first letter. Entering a space will make the uppercase Greek letter appear. In this tutorial, we have only covered a few of the most common shortcuts that you will use when generating equations, but a number of other useful equation shortcuts can be found in Microsoft Office help forums online. I encourage you to check them out.